Hello everyone, this is Recharger here, and welcome to another 143 scale video. And today we have another IXO or IXO model cars model, this being the Ford Taunus GXL from 1973. So at first I accidentally thought it's an Opel, but no, this is the Ford. But I'm still perfectly fine with it because I really like how this one looks. I've seen this one in real life once, really liked it. So I was like, okay, I hope I get it as a model someday. And well, here it is in 143 scale. Let's get this. Alright, doesn't want to come off. Like, it starts to slide off nicely, and it just stops, and you're like, well, you're not getting that off as easily as you wanted to, but it's fine. It's just wrapped around, so it's no issue whatsoever to get it off. Then let's get it off the base. This one also actually is just recently got at least appeared in the internet stores from where I buy them. So I got this one, like I was making, well, actually a fellow collector was making an order on this model. I mean, not this model, but models. And suddenly out of nowhere they updated the store and this showed up. I was like, okay, I hoped that I would get it, and I did, so whew. So I'm happy because yeah, so it comes in acrylic case, as all of them do. They are with the glued with these stickers. Let me get a knife and just cut them on the side, so I don't want to bother with unsticking them. So there you go, there goes that. So these models I've been praising a lot personally, because IXO models do very good models. I don't think I have any issues. I don't remember having any issues with them. So let's get it off the base and let's take a closer look. Is this going to be too big? Yes, it will. What other ones? Maybe this one? Yes, this is perfect. Okay. Okay, there's the car. Take all that away. And let's have a look at the car. So it looks, it might not be a very good roller, or it's just the, oh, there we go. Me talking about not having issues, and suddenly there's an issue. A bit of a wobbly wheel by the looks of it. Probably an easy fix. I hope it's an easy fix. Let's bend it that way. And it wanted to come off completely. Let's take it off completely, maybe. I mean, oh, okay. So, I was thinking of, I shouldn't have said anything. So there's an issue with the tire, but it's only, by the looks of it, just needs to be slightly like opened up. You can just spread it out just a bit yourself. Should be more or less fine. Let's put it back on and see what happens. I'll put it on with the non-damaged way. Which I didn't, of course. Oh no, come on. Okay, let's put it the other way then. Well, it looks perfect from this side, but it's still wonky. There's nothing I can do about it. It's fine. It's not like I'm going to be playing. I can do this off camera by myself. Like, fix this and get this in there eventually. Yeah, I'll get it in eventually on off camera. So I'm sorry for that. Like I said, don't start talking about quality issues before you have opened the car, because you'll probably stumble into some issues. Okay, so this mirror looks very, very fragile, so I wouldn't suggest touching it. I just touched it for a little bit, but yeah. So we have also like these separate windshield wipers, you can see right there. There's the details for the back. It says Taunus on there, GXL, also on the license plate inserted. Tail lights, bumpers separate piece. The tail lights, this middle piece which says Ford in the middle there, is also a connected piece with the tail lights. The top is matte, is metal. There's your front details. Got the Ford right there. It's a little bit crooked, not perfect. Front lights are inserted. Also, the fog lights are inserted. Grill piece is separate. Bumper is a separate piece also. So, and the wheels are like old steely variations. The base is plastic. Also have a separate piece for the exhaust. These are actually very easily to take apart. It's just basic screws. You can take it apart, maybe customize it, or just fix it if you want to. We got this teal looking, not teal, sorry, this like cream looking interior, brown, cream, or something like that. I don't know. Steering wheel looks very nice with the black front panel, at least. Yeah. Overall, like without the issue with the front wheel, I think it's a very good one. Not the best roller, because of that wheel, like I said, but you're not gonna play around with these. These are models anyway. Yeah, I wouldn't suggest giving them to kids either. So, luckily, I don't have any of those. So, there we go. Hope you liked the car. I personally do. Subscribe, leave a like if you liked, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.